getting there.
It's getting there.
Getting there.
What are you doing to it now?
Still wet sanding.
Aha.
So this is 5,000. So this is 5,000 Trizact. If you guys haven't tried the Trizact products, there'll be a link in the description. God, I love this stuff.
Yeah.
So it's a non-woven abrasive. That's being worked on with a DA. Although they do have hand sanding sheets, but you can see that it really helps.
That's cool.
Let me get a dry rag. So our friends over at 3M have knocked it out of the park and introduced 8,000 Trizact.
Ah, painter's dream.
Oh, actually it's a polisher's dream.
Okay.
So you guys take a look at the shine on that. That's not even polished, it's still wet.
Right. Wow. Nice.
What's our question today?
Yeah, we got a question. So are VW Beetles good cars?
Yeah! Our VW Beetles good cars. Really? They are brutally engineered for minimum weight, maximum horsepower, and longevity for all three. So it's a good combination. It was originally the people's car. It was supposed to be the car of the masses, and it turned out to be, but mostly the rest of the world, not Germany.
Right.
They're good cars because they can be worked on in the garage. They're fairly simple. They're meant to be fixed, which also means that you need to fix them and do the maintenance on them.
Double-edged sword there, huh?
So while they're easy to work on, there's a reason for that because you're going to have to work on them. So that's an easy question.
It's not a just like turn it on, take off.
Well, even with modern cars, it's like y'all have those idiot lights in there that say maintenance required.
Yep.
And it's like my wife's car has that light that comes on. There's no maintenance required. It just the light wants the little computer check in.
Oh yeah.
So you know, it all comes down to what you put into it, how you take care of stuff, like anything else. So
yeah, they're good cars.
Yeah, they're good cars. That's what I said the first time. Then I had to explain myself. So I should be getting into polish here, the chemical polish on this body today. I've got a little bit more touch-up stuff to do that no one will ever see. A little bit more hand sanding. So I'm bringing it up to 8,000, inspecting it, and in most cases, knocking it back down to 2,500 and going over it again until I bring it back up to 8,000 and look at it and say, yeah, I can deal with that. So on this back panel, I've done this like 3 times already.
Whew.
So that's the fun part. So that's what I've got. I've been stuck in this silver room for I don't know how long. Come out and it's like daylight. Oh my God.
Are you dreaming about this vehicle now?
No.
No, all right. It's just compartmentalized.
No, it's like I'm enjoying it though. This is kind of a zen thing. Like, yeah, we've got the tunes shut off, but like today I was listening to some chill step while doing this.
All right.
And it's just kind of like, nice and melodic.
In the groove. Nice.
A little bit of groove. If you guys aren't into Alan Watts chill step, check it out on YouTube. Yeah. Hey, do us a favor. We're going to get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We would like to run a contest, and I figured out how to get my subscriber base. So every time we get a new subscriber, our Gmail gets pinged. So I'm saving all of those in a folder. And I've been doing it mostly since we started on this. And so what I'm going to do is I'll do a random number generator based on those emails, and we'll give away a Darkside pack. We will ship worldwide. That'll be on us. So I think we'll probably do this year's event t-shirt, maybe a couple books, maybe some stickers. I don't know. See what kind of
goodies we can find.
See what I come up with. But so like, you probably can't even see that in the camera. So right there's a slight imperfection.
I saw it. You got to hit it at right the right angle. I don't think it'll show on the camera.
I don't think it'll show, but I can see it. So It's going to get fixed. So we got Stone in the back, doing a final cleanup on Willie, Cadence Bug, and it's about ready to go home. We've got to recoat, do ceramic coating on 2 panels.
Okay.
Something in the last ceramic coating just didn't work right. We got a little bit of cloudy image, and we didn't even notice it when it was in the booth.
Wow.
So the client just happened to see it when the light caught it just right, so we're going to take care of it while we're doing the maintenance stuff on that.
Okay.
And I think Daren's working on Cabral's camper.
Okay.
Doing some interior panels. And we've got Alex is in working on Gazzo. In fact, I want to feature that a little bit later, so I need you to talk to him. And I'll be talking with Mr. Gazzo today, so he got to see it. We're at punch list time on Gazzo's car.
That's exciting.
It's like it's under a page.
Nice.
So we're getting there. Rims came in for it, so make sure you have Alex take a look at it.
All right.
We do have an unboxing video that will get processed, and you guys will get to see that too. I don't know when we'll release it. So anyway, we appreciate all the love and all the comments, and keep on dub loving.
All right.
I'm gonna go back to polishing.
Sounds good.
Or wet sanding, I should say.
Yeah. Ooh. That's looking good.
Getting there.
Very nice. Got all the nice things back here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Whose is this?
Davis.
Oh,
Supposed to
okay.
be going to. Supposed to get blasted today.
Oh, right, but it's raining, so yeah.
That's on Second Rail. Waiting to go.
Nice. And we've got Lauren's Notch.
Just waiting for it going.
Oh my.
Hi.
What are you sawing?
Did you say what am I
What
sawing?
are you sawing? Yeah.
Right now, I'm working on cutting the other track for the power window
Oh, all right.
because we had an idea for one technique and it wasn't working very well, so we've gone to
Total custom.
a better technique.
All right.
And so these tracks come in the box and they're like out to here and out to here, and you have to cut them to fit your system.
Okay.
And once I get both of these cut, we'll be going back to the original track because then I have to bolt it back into the track and hit it with heat to
So
get
it'll
it to
bend.
take that bend and hold it.
Wow. All right.
Then we got to pull the hardware off of the stock tracks and transfer it to the new track so that it'll sit in right, because I tried to just mount it to the backside of this and use the old hardware mostly, but it's a little too thick and it puts the glass in just the wrong spot, so I gotta bring it back in a little bit, which means I have to delete this piece and move all the hardware over.
Doing a lot of puzzle solving.
Yeah.
Great. Well, it's looking really good.
But it's going to be as good as it gets when it comes to power windows.
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic. That's looking good. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. Yeah, so we've also, I don't know if you can get over here and look in here, but we've got the trunk latch installed here, and then I've also got my solenoid here for the power part. So there's going to be the manual release in the vehicle that you pull and it'll pop the trunk up, but there's also going to be use of that same remote that does the door. It's going to have a button that'll pop the front and rear decks as well.
Fascinating.
So.
That's going to be great. You'll be able to just have everything open.
Yeah.
Pop. Great.
Well, push button and drive. So.
I know, right? Wouldn't that be something?
Yeah. Do we want to show the wheels in this?
Yeah, I want to see the wheels.
So, and these bad boys finally came in.
All right. I see.
And we've got a little bit of work to recolor them to be what the client wants, but
man. That's nice.
also I gotta get them fit because we gotta pick tires that are gonna actually fit inside there with these wheels on.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Those are beautiful.
Yes, they are.
Nice. Very nice. Oh, that's really coming together.
Yeah.
All right, Daren, what you doing?
I am back.
I'm so glad.
Bring out your dad!
Bring out your dead.
Bring out your dad.
I had, for everybody out there in the world doesn't know, a little COVID-19 scare.
Oh.
So I had to go. Actually, I'll show you because it'd be cool to put it on video. My little COVID-19 work release letter.
Oh
That's
man.
what it looks like when they
Clean bill of
quarantine you.
health.
When they quarantine you for a few
Oh, my
days.
Gosh.
But so I got sick. I guess it was last Monday. I was at home and I started feeling sick and that night I got a fever. And so my wife works at the hospital, so we decided we better go check, and went down there, got checked. And you do not want to get that test.
No. Does it Q-tip back to
And
the
it's
brain,
not just
right?
a Q-tip. It's like 7 inches long. And they do both sides. So yeah. Anyways, we got that done, and it came back yesterday negative. So I'm back at
Good.
work, but I still don't know what it was. But anyway, so I'm back, and there's a bunch of things going on. So this guy,
The next fever you get, you're going to be like, no, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah, good. Yeah. But Mr. Cabral's here. We're putting in some panels that cover up these sides here. It's an afterthought, but we're going in there and doing that. So I had to remove the cabinets.
Oh,
so
sure,
we could put that in there and cover that up.
Wow. That's
And while I was gone, a bunch of stuff came in there. So we're going to be making curtains for this guy.
Oh,
We got
let's
curtain
see.
rods in. Let me show you the rods. So curtain rods came in for him. And they are just stainless steel rods, but we'll put those in there, and we actually ordered a fabric, which I'm going to show you in a minute.
Oh, good.
And we're going to hand make the curtains for it. They're kind of a blue and a gray. We're putting there's a baby, a child's bed that slits across here, which we got to make also.
Okay.
But it's gray, so we went with a blue and gray interior, and we'll show you that over here. And I kind of back in hornet's nest because there's all kinds of stuff going on now. So this is the child sling that goes across the front, and this is the shape of the old one. So it goes between the two
Gotcha.
front, and then they can sleep in there. So we got this brand new canvas, and we're going to make a gray canvas of that.
Okay.
And this is the
that's
curtain
nice.
material. It's going to be made curtains, so to tie in the grays and the blues. And
very nice.
so we're making curtains now for that guy.
It's curtains for you, Cabral.
Curtains for you, Cabral. What else do we got going on? We got Rusty still going on. We got a bunch of in for him, so I'll be starting him back up.
Oh my, that's a lot of metal.
But he should look significantly
metal
different here in the next week. So by next week we should have a bunch, so we'll get that all laid out.
Wow, that's great.
Other than that, just getting caught up on little odds and ends that I've missed for a week.
Yeah, really. Did you miss us?
Oh yeah, it was boring. After I got over being sick, I was glad to be at home. I was sick, but after I got over that,
right? They're like, all right.
I had to stay home for 3 to 5 days. Was the quarantine. Luckily, I didn't have it because if I would have had it, I would have had to stay home for 14 additional days after the test came back. So I was already done at being at home.
I'm sure. So. Oh man.
Yep. So we're ready to go. So we're jumping right back into it.
Fantastic. All right. How about you, Mr. Shannon? What are you up to?
Oh, well, I finally got the seals in from Mr. Robinson's door.
Okay.
And so we're going to start back on getting them done. We have received, I believe, just about everything for his interior stuff now.
Nice.
I think we're still missing the bamboo tray, but no big deal.
That's easy enough at the end.
Yeah, so we're, I know it's in shambles right now because of working on it.
It always looks worse before it looks better.
But he's getting new steering wheel because his steering wheel is cracked.
Oh no.
Seat covers, cushions, new rubber matting, headliner. All the window seals are going to be done. Mm-hmm. He's getting a new speedometer because the speedometer is seized up. So you hook up cable, it don't do nothing. It'll about break the cable.
Oh my.
Yes. So you got to know how fast you're going.
That's kind of important.
Backstory, it's his grandfather's car, so he's trying to get it where he can still drive it and enjoy it.
Yeah.
So he's got to know how fast he's going.
Well, yeah. That's,
old men, they tend to have a little heavy foot, so it's like, you need to know how fast you're going.
We don't want to have you getting tickets.
No. Especially old 63, but it's coming along.
That looks good.
I said, I'm working on finishing up the doors today, and then we'll move on to his interior and everything.
Sounds good.
Yes.
All right, keep up the good work.
All right. See y'all.